How's it going, everyone? This is Sean with SAG Apiaries, and it is January 1st, 2019. All right, let's see. All right, first inspection of the year. Out of syrup. All right. Looking good. Looking good. A lot of eggs. A little bit of syrup. There she is. Look in this one, every cell's got eggs or larvae in it. Before I put the frame back that queen's on, I always like to see where she's at so I don't squish her. Alright. Queen 1. Just gonna peek at a couple more frames just to see if she's laying a bunch of eggs or what. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Good brood, good brood. That is what you want to see right there. This is what you want to see right there. That's 100% babies in this whole frame right here. Oh, babies. It's good. This hive is going to explode soon. Go ahead and feed these guys today. Ladies, these ladies. There's one. Alright, we won't even go in this top super because there's no reason to. Alright. Done. Go right here. Lighting's a little better. Flying around your head? Yeah?
I hear it.
Real, real, real.
He's angry.
Alright. Hive number 2.
He's angry.
Maybe they're hangry because they don't have any food. Little smoke. Check these guys. Feeder is empty. Couple bees. No dead bees, that's a good thing. Alright, let's see. Frame number 1, loaded full of syrup. Nothing but syrup in there. Good amount of brood and eggs. Actually a couple drone cells in there. Nothing but nectar around the edges on this side, but plenty of brood and eggs, larvae on that side. I don't see the queen yet. A lot of brood on that side. A little bit of brood on this side. Not much. A little bit of crazy comb going on here. Not sure what Always looking for the queen, but I see eggs, so it's not super important to find her. I know she's in here, or at least she's been in here the last 2 days. So it looks like a beginning of a queen cell right here, which I'm not really sure why. So now I want to find the queen to see if it's what's going on with it. I don't see an egg in there, so I'm not sure. They're just getting ready for spring and making queen cups that possibly could be used for swarming in the spring. Don't see her. I would think she'd be on this frame right here. This one has the most eggs and brood on it, so. Really? You're fine, babe. If she was gone, they would have 10 queen cells built. Even though there's really not any brood or any drones around to mate with queens. I did see some in one of my hives yesterday. Not many. I don't see her, but I'm gonna go with she's here somewhere. But I'm not sure where. Just don't understand why there's a queen cell there. And we're gonna have to pray that the queen's just hiding from us today. Which I have a really good suspicion she's just hiding. So I'm just gonna go ahead and close it up and put some feed in them. And hope that she's in here. There's a lot of bees on the side and the bottom of the box, so I mean there's a chance that she's down there. So a little bit of 1-to-1 syrup. Alright, so spilt a little bit, no worries. I like filling them right up to the top. This one I got a little overfilled, but if you look, bees are looking really good. There's no deformed wings. This is the first of the year, so I'm just doing a little inspection and looking okay. And we'll see. On to the next one, number 3. Not looking real lively, but it is January 1st, by the way, so not many bees are lively. Feeder's empty. No dead bees. It's always good. Make sure these sit properly so that way the bees don't get stuck in there. They got some capped syrup, and I see some wild nectar in there too. I mean, they're still bringing in pollen and nectar, believe it or not, being January 1st. But one perks of being in South Florida. It's 83 degrees right now, so there's some capped syrup, a little bit of nectar, a lot of pollen, some brood, some larvae, See some fresh eggs. No queen on this one. See on this one, same thing. Capped honey, brood, larva, fresh eggs. So she's still in laying mode, full on laying mode. So we haven't had any cold weather in a couple weeks, so that's good. Nectar. See some larvae. It's really hard to see fresh eggs on this white foundation. But I see larvae. Appears to be fresh eggs in there. Do not see the queen on this frame. Queens are being a little elusive today. Seen one of 3 so far. But I see fresh eggs, so I mean there's no reason to be alarmed. So, this is just starting to get drawn out a little bit. No queens. Oh, there's a hive beetle. Kill every one of those we see. Just go ahead and look at it. Look through the frames. Oh, there she is right there. So she's right there on that frame. See if I can point her out. She's right here. She's looking down in the cells right now. Right there. Right there. Cool. Alright. Make sure when you're going through, pulling your frames, that when you put them back in the same direction and in the same order. That way the bees don't get confused and not know what's going on. So. Little 1-to-1 syrup. There we go. That's slap full, and you know, as you can tell, my hives are pretty weak right now, and that's why I'm feeding them. So I'm trying to get them to expand a little bit and get them ready for spring. So